Woo! And check out what's on the side. Look at that. That is a nice picker. Got a nice big chunk of iron there. If that isn't an indicator that there's going to be nuggets around this area, I don't know what is. Hey, I'm going to try and clear back some of this overburden and work my way down to a bit of clay and see what we can get out of that. We've cleared this out a bit and we're starting to get into a clay gravelly mix, which is good. I'll pan this overburdeny slash clay stuff out and we'll see what we got in it. What we got? I don't know how well you'll see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just get rid of that lighter stuff. Look at that, that's a nice pan, that. Not as good as the one I had the other week, but I'll take that any day. Done my next pan, and I think it's safe to say we're on the gold. Look at that. We're definitely getting onto it. Oh. Some nice pieces there, nice chunky bits. We will suck that up. And we will continue working all this clay material. I'm trying to remove this rock and not get bitten by this spider. Look at him. Yeah. We got a picker and we got a nugget. A very, very small nugget. That's everything out of that pan. A nice picker slash nugget. Some quicksilver and some yellow shiny. I'll suck all that up and we'll keep going. Get a few more pans done. I just shut the camera off so I could make some progress. I just pulled a rock out of that little spot there. This is the rock that come out of it. And check out what's on the side. Look at that. That is a nice picker. So what we'll do, we'll throw it in there and I'm going to continue working all that stuff up the back there. That's where we're going to start focusing our time. That's what I'm talking about. That gets your blood going. Look at all that. There's a few pickers in there. Is that a nugget? Nah, just a picker. I just got to do a few more pans out of here. And then we'll pack up and call it a day, I think. This will probably be the last pan of material I'm going to do today. I'm sort of running a bit late. I've got to get back home. Oh! I couldn't resist that and have a sneak peek. Oh! Some nice gold in there. There's quite a bit there. So I'll suck it up. I've still got, as you can see, gold down the back here. So I'm gonna suck this up, come back through all my black sands and see what I've missed. And then I think I'll empty the snuffer bottle out and we'll do a day's total reveal. We are pretty well going to pack up and blow this joint. So that's it, guys. Check all that out. We got a few nuggets in there. Not nuggets, but anything with a bit of thickness to it is classed as a nugget. And I've got probably 2 of them in here. But yeah, check all that out. That's awesome, isn't it? So today we're gonna pick up where we left off from yesterday, and we're going to continue working all this gravel in here. Oh, first pan, check that out, woo! Oh yeah, look at that, we got a nuggie. Oh, today's gonna be a good day, look at that. That is a nice nugget. Bit of thickness to it, oh yes! Let's see what's at the bottom of it. Yeah, bloody oath. Excuse my language. Oh, foot stuck. Where's me snuffer bottle? Okay, let's snuff all this up and let's start hitting it hard, eh? Ah, oh, look at that. First pan for the day. Can't get better than that. Don't even fit up the snuffer tube. Judging by my first pan today and the pans I was doing yesterday arvo before I packed up and headed home, today we're gonna find some mad gold. So we're just going to try and remove those 3 rocks, or those 4 rocks, and just process all that material in there. Starting to get into some really nice blue gravel packed clay, and it is hard packed. It's almost like concrete. Cutting, chiseling through this, not much at all. I think my first pan this morning was my very best pan. That's all we got out of that one. I think I might just keep working this hard pack, whether the gold's fizzling out or not. I know there's going to be something decent in there somewhere, we just got to find it. Back onto it now. Ah, look at that. Alright, I'm going to continue using the yabby pump, and we're just going to work our way down, go down as far as I possibly can, and see if I can't get pans like that for the rest of the day. much everything, guys. We got a nice little nuggie. Since I was last here, we've had quite a few people come in and literally rape my spot clean. Like, check that out. They've gotten right up in there. We're gonna do a test pan. We want to know what these people have left in here besides their frickin' rubbish. Okay, we'll just pan this out and just see what we're getting in this top layer of clay here. There we go, 2 pieces. So I think I'll probably get the yabby pump and we'll start sucking some of that stuff up. Next pan, a few specks. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, little speck there, that's gold. So, N.S.W. Got some nicer pieces in this one. We're getting there. Let's put this in the snuffer bottle. A few more pieces. We will guzzle them up and I'll probably start punching in, punching down and just see what sort of results we can get punching through all that hard pack bedrock. Oh, the hard pack gravel, sorry. Right there at the tip of my finger, my savagely gnawed finger. Piece right there. So, N.S.W. Okay, let's see what this one yields, I say. That's what we got out of that pan. Got a nice picker. Definitely got a nice picker in this one. I'll just put some clean water in it. Let's have a look at this. Look at all that. Nice. I think that will be my last pan for today. There's still plenty of gold in that section just there. If you liked what you've seen today and you would like to see more content just like it, go down and click the subscribe button and hit the little bell notification. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video, and you can possibly do what my stalker does and hit the bell notification, so as soon as I upload a video you can come in and work the spots I've been working in that day. So it's a win-win.